So number one, take the battery negative terminal out. I take the battery negative terminal out, then I'm gonna take the upper radiator hose out. Just push the clamp and pull it. Now I'm gonna take the radiator fan out. Just pull this. Okay. To pull this radiator fan, you just need to lift it up on the both sides. Put the hand and lift it up, and make sure you open this sensor. Just push the tab in here, pull it, it will come out. Take the sensor out from here, and take these out. There's a push clip right here. Let's take it out one by one. Another one right here. And there's a connector for the fan. Take the connector out. So let me take the connector for the fan. Just pull this one. See this? To take the fan out, radiator fan out, you have to push this. You see this right here? Push this. At the same time, you have to pull it, so it will come up like this. The same thing other side. Just pull like this. Just push like this and pull it. So take this reservoir out. You don't need to do nothing, just pull it. When you pull it like this, it will come out. That was push it in here. You see the little slot? Too slow right there. When you take the radiator connector out, you see this, you have to push it like this. Take the fan out. You see how I open this? Like this, pull it up. So when you put in the fan, just go angle like this, just put it in. You figure out. Then it has to be this thing. It has to be sit on the group right here. See this? There's another one is in the bottom. This will go right there, as well in the bottom one. There's another one in the bottom, same like that, so it will go inside.